It was back in February that Bruno Guedes da Silva was taken into ICE custody after a traffic stop. According to ICE agents, Guedes da Silva was wanted on a felony warrant charge of sale or transfer of firearms and unsworn falsification to authorities.
In this particular case, the question was, are you an illegal alien? And by everything he was told, everything my client was told, he was not an illegal alien.
Thomas N. Farrell is the criminal defense lawyer for Guedes da Silva. He says that's the question authorities asked Guedes da Silva, who allegedly lied on his application to buy a gun. That was in July of 2024.
He was never told why he couldn't purchase a gun. They just said, no, you can't purchase the gun, and he thought that was the end of it.
Yet for 2 years, Guedes da Silva had a warrant for his arrest on the charges of lying, something he was not aware of. Farrell says his client was under the impression that he was here legally.
Everything that the governments, the federal government and the state government, told him was that he was allowed to be in this country.
Guedes da Silva fled Brazil for the United States in 2022 after his family was targeted and came under gunfire due to his work as a correctional officer.
As a result, he fled to the United States, and when he got there, he asked for asylum.
He was even granted a work visa, Social Security card, and driver's license when he entered the United States. Farrell says those facts played a major role in guiding his client toward having the criminal charges dropped, but they were not the determining factor.
The charges were dismissed once we went to the district attorney's office and explained everything, including the fact that his 6-year-old daughter is dying of cancer.
His daughter, Maria, began treatment for Hodgkin's lymphoma just 2 days after his arrest. According to our partners at the Trib, the Allegheny County District Attorney's Office explained the withdrawal through email, saying in part, quote, because of the medical condition and treatment regimen being received by a family member for compassionate and humanitarian reasons, the charges are being withdrawn without prejudice to refile at a later date if warranted. Now, I did reach out to Guedes da Silva's immigration attorney for comment, but did not hear back tonight. Covering Allegheny County in downtown Pittsburgh, Yasmin Rodriguez, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.